Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, we are from Group 6 and we are going to explain about the assignment module unit 1, exercise 13 about how to install Notepad++. First of all, let me introduce ourselves. My partner is Iftitah Hidayati, Izzatun Nauly, and I myself, Maulana Bintang Irfansyah. Our topics today to discuss are what Notepad++. The second one is how to install and use it. So, let's get started. What is Notepad++? Notepad++ is an editor which you can use for developing many programming language like Java, Python, or C++ and others programming language. And the next slide will be explained by Iftitah Hidayati.
How to install Notepad++? Notepad++. You just click on the link notepad++.org on search bar your browser. Next, the download page will be appear and choose what do you want version for Notepad++. Operation. Next, click on the setup and process to install. The Notepad++ will be started. Select the language from the drop-down and click the OK button. The next slide.
Next, read the license agreement and click I agree the button. Choose install location option will appear as follow and click the next button. The next screen will be to choose the component. There is no to select or deselect anything here, only click the next button. Now the install screen will appear. Click the install button to start the installation of the Notepad++. Next. After clicking the finish button, the Notepad++ will be opened and look like this. Okay, the next slide explained to by Iftitah Hidayati. Thank you.
Okay, how to use Notepad++? Next, double-click the Notepad++ app icon, which resembles a wild with pad with a green frog on it. Next, Make the program code according to your needs. Next. The next slide will be explained by Maulana Bintang Irfansyah.
Okay, conclusion. By following this procedure, you will be able to install the Notepad++ in Windows 10. It can be used to edit text or search code. So, this is the end of the example and as well as the explanation about how to install a software in computer. See you soon and good luck. Thank you.